Cue the suspense. Top 10 strangest animal adaptations. Here we go. Number 10, the hairy frog. This peculiar amphibian breaks its own bones to produce claws. Talk about self-defense. Number 9, the pistol shrimp. It snaps its claw so fast it creates a shockwave hotter than the sun. That's a fiery punch. 8th, we have the mimic octopus. This master of disguise can imitate over 15 different species. Now that's a real shapeshifter. 7 takes us to the skies with the alpine swift. These birds can stay airborne for over 6 months. No landings, no problem. 6th, we find the kangaroo rat. They never drink water, zero, zilch. They get all hydration from seeds they eat. And that's your halfway point. Stay tuned for the top 5. The suspense is real and the adaptations get stranger. Prepare to have your mind blown.